There it is, proof. First snow. The first snow. Unbelievable. I guess it is believable. It's November. I don't know if it'll make it till the morning, but that's why I'm taking a video at night. Suck it in. That's snow. Here we are.
Took my first breath where the muddy Brazos spills into the Gulf of Mexico, where the skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of a